Gaining confidence in your feet. Hi there! Are you tired of feeling self-conscious about your feet? Well, worry no more. Because in this video, I'm going to share some tips and tricks to help you feel confident and comfortable in your own feet. First and foremost, it's important to remember that everyone has imperfections, even our feet. So, instead of beating yourself up over them, embrace them. Instead of wearing high heels that make your feet look disproportionate, try wearing comfortable flats or sandals that show off your feet's unique features. Next, take care of your feet. Wear clean, well-fitting shoes that fit properly and provide support. This will help prevent blisters, infections, and other foot problems that can make you feel self-conscious. Another way to feel more confident in your feet is to practice self-care. Take a relaxing bath, get a massage, or do some stretching exercises to help relieve tension and stress in your feet and legs. Finally, don't be afraid to speak up about any uncomfortable sensations or feelings you may be experiencing in your feet. Don't be afraid to ask for advice or guidance from your healthcare provider or a podiatrist. In summary, if you're feeling self-conscious about your feet, remember that it's okay to be imperfect and that taking care of yourself is the first step towards feeling more confident and comfortable in your own skin. So, embrace your feet's unique features, practice self-care, and don't be afraid to speak up if something isn't right. Thanks for watching.